Hey guys, we'll be seeing today like an end-to-end deployment into the cloud to how we can deploy, build, and how we can consume the our website. So we'll be building a basic website out of which we'll deploy that into a CloudRun, which is a serverless tool managed by GCP. So we'll build a pipeline and we'll also automate the entire process. So we'll see how we can build this from top down. So let's say for this we need a basic Docker file and the index.html where I've kept the basic HTML code for just a testing purpose. So and inside Docker file I'm using as a Nginx as a base image. I'm copying this into the root directory of Nginx. So this is the basic Docker file and index.html consists of. And now for GitlabCI.yaml there will be two stages. So first stage will be build and second stage will be deploy. So in the first stage we'll be building this. These are the basic comments which we have seen in all our videos. So I'll be not be giving much focus on to that. So only thing which we'll be doing is, so let's say anything that has been pushed into the main branch, only then this pipeline will be triggered. So once this pipeline is triggered, so this is the key file which have been stored in variable section of the GitLab's settings part. So I'll be using that credential to authenticate with my GCP project. So I'll be logging into that and I'll be building a image from this Docker file and I'll be pushing that into the GCR registry. So this is what a build stage will do. So in the second stage, deployment will be deploying our entire container into the Cloud Run. So Cloud Run is a basically, to give you just about a Cloud Run, is a serverless. So what is serverless? Whenever a request comes, only then that uh, um, that entire whatever you see a server gets activated and process our request, and again it will shut down. So it's like a request based approach. So only then it will work and otherwise it will be in the sleep mode. So it's better for cost in terms of people who are not using that quite often. So we can leverage that and make use out of it. So in the same way we'll be using in the same way, if when anything puts commits into this particular branch, only then we'll be using this. So you can see Google Cloud SDK is an image, is the base image. Inside that we'll run all our commands. So in the same way we'll authenticate with a credential key.json, and we'll use that we'll activate that key.json and we'll set the project. This is my project ID, you can change according to yours. And the we'll use gcloud run deploy. This are service name and image which we have created earlier. We'll provide that particular image and we'll set basic things. So as Nginx runs in port 80, and there are various options. If you want to pass secrets, if you want to pass volumes, attach it as a volume, you can set those up and you can play around it. So this is what this entire end-to-end pipeline and the architecture looks like. So let's say we'll change this to some other color. So we'll deploy this on fly. So let's say this and we'll commit this. So now a pipeline should start. So here we can see a pipeline has been triggered, which is of build and deploy stages. So it will take a couple of minutes. So it has been started and it's done with that job. So we'll go to deploy stage. So now it has been started. So now a deployment phase is going on. So for this, we need to at backend we have to create a service account. We have to give permissions, but this is out of scope of this particular video. So you can refer any of the documentation and create a service account, and you can provide a service account with minimal permissions to that cloud run. So now we can see endpoint which has been created for this server. So if you click on this, so it will be taking us to the website, which basic website which have been created. So this is how we have created a website, built a Docker file, and created a pipeline and deployed it in GCP within seconds. So if you go into GCP, you can see this serverless service. So which you can see at the so you can see this is the just now deployed by this particular service account. You can create your own custom service account and provide that with the minimal features. So in the same URL which we got our website, so you can see all the container statistics once users start using that, and you can see logs, revisions, and details, everything. So at backend, even cloudrun uses GKE, like it will be hosted in pods. So this is how like you can create an end-to-end pipeline and make use of this GitlabCI. Thank you.